Alright, you guys, the day has arrived. I am taking the passenger seat out of the Trailblazer, and I'm hoping the cooler fits right there. I am pretty excited. I watched one video for about 2 seconds on how to do this. It's 4 bolts that are 18mm and a plug, so should be an interesting video. I'm so excited. I've got to clean out the back seat a little bit. I left the bed back there, but I think I'm going to take that out so that when I take the seat out, I can see exactly how much room I have. So let's get started on this video. Okay, so there's 4 bolts. One here, one here, one here, and one here, and then just these plugs, I'm guessing. I'm kind of nervous to see what it looks like under there. Alright, so this is a pretty cool tripod. Got a new tripod. A little bit higher. Okay, so my tools are under this, and I gotta get my ratchet set out. Says it's 18. One video said, one video said it was 18mm. I only watched like 5 seconds of the video because my attention span is not that great. Looks like I've got one missing. Thank God it's not the 18mm, but hopefully, I don't think that this is going to work. I don't think it's deep enough. So. Yeah. Alright, well, I will pick you guys up in a minute. Yep. And this will work. We have to get rid of this clip. Oh, nothing's okay. All right, this is great. Okay. Ow. So gross. Ow. God damn it. clean this out. Oh, it is connected. What? Alright, well. Alright, so it is connected right here. I could just cut it, but alright. Oops. Alright. Wow, this is disgusting. And I'm a pretty clean person, so I don't know what to say. Why do you think Bruce wants to eat all that stuff? What do you think, Bruce? We're gonna have more room in here? Huh? We're gonna put the cooler right here, and we're gonna have so much room to cuddle in the back. What do you think? Do you like it? I might as well just vacuum the whole car while I'm at it, so I'm gonna do that and then put my bedding back in. I want to see how the cooler fits. Then my car will basically be packed for the most part for my second trip. I'm probably leaving the same day I get back from my girls trip, so yeah, I've got a girls trip planned, but I'm taking the Jeep and then I'm leaving again. Can't help it. Alright, I took the seat out. It looks pretty strange, but open. I'm excited to finish this and see where the next chapter of the Trailblazer takes me. Alright, so I was right about the cooler. There's this hump back here that's kind of weird. I can use it for about a trip, maybe a few, but I can't have my cooler tilted like that. I mean, I guess I could, but I don't really want to. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably build a platform for it. So that's that.